If Gmail is showing error code 1, don't worry, because this is usually a temporary sync issue, a connection problem, a login problem, or just Gmail failing to load properly. It's especially common on Android devices and in mail apps when Gmail can't connect the way it should to Google servers. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Gmail working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether Gmail or Google services are actually having an outage. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps status dashboard. Look for Gmail and make sure the service is marked as available. If there's an outage, the best thing to do is wait until Google restores normal service. If Gmail is working normally on Google's side, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes when Gmail keeps throwing loading or sign-in errors. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Find the option to clear browsing data, and make sure you select cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. Once you clear them, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail again. Fresh session data can often fix the error right away. Now, if you are using Gmail in a browser, extensions can also cause error code 1. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, script managers, or other add-ons can interfere with Gmail loading correctly. Go into your browser extensions menu and turn them off one by one. After disabling each one, reload Gmail and see if the issue is gone. If Gmail starts working after disabling a specific extension, you found the cause. You can keep that extension off or replace it with a safer alternative. If you are using the Gmail app, try refreshing the app or fully reopening it. On Android especially, Gmail can get stuck during sync or loading. Close the app completely from the recent app screen, then open it again. If that doesn't help, pull down to refresh or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection is the issue. Sometimes a simple reload is enough to reconnect properly. Another important fix is to restart your device. Whether you are on a phone, tablet, or computer, a restart can clear temporary glitches, refresh your network connection, and reset background processes that may be affecting Gmail. Power your device off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and try Gmail again. This basic step fixes more problems than many people realize. If Gmail error code 1 still appears after that, check your internet connection as well. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, or try a different network if possible. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Gmail from syncing with your account correctly. Also confirm that you are signed into the correct Google account, because account switching issues can sometimes trigger loading errors. By now, one of these fixes should have resolved the issue. In most cases, Gmail error code 1 comes down to a temporary connection problem, a browser conflict, or a sync glitch, and that means it can usually be fixed quickly once you isolate the cause. If the video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.